Fall trends are everywhere right now. I did a recent video about the fall trends of 2025. I will tag it below so you can watch it. Today, I'm styling a video of the trends, and I have a few new items I got in from Ann Taylor, and I want to show you how to style them up with items I already have in my closet. I will have everything linked below, and also I will have a QR code for the people that watch on TV. So let's get started. So my first outfit was, I got this really cute animal print vest trench. Now, I will say, here it is right here. It is so nice. It is like a coat without sleeves, which is quite perfect if you live somewhere that it doesn't get extremely cold and you just need something like an overlay and you want to wear whatever shirt. I paired it with a white button down and just some blue jeans and some booties, some brown booties. And it is so pretty. I love the tortoiseshell buttons. It is lined. It has pockets. Is the inside, it's all lined. It is super heavy. Hopefully you can see like the animal kind of, it's got texture to it. It's so pretty. Now, I styled it up with a white button-up, just a classic. I believe everyone should have a white button-up in their closet, some blue jean, whatever your favorite blue jeans are, and then a bootie with it. And I had some kind of mid-tone brown bootie, so I paired it with that. Looked really cute. I really like this, especially if you're living in an area that is cold, but it's not like freezing cold where you need a whole jacket. I just find this piece to be the third layer piece. It's trendy. Animal print is a very classic print. I know a lot of people will debate that every day, but I will die on a heel saying that animal print is a true neutral. Number two, the way I styled it is I just did a black bodysuit, just a basic black bodysuit. You could do a black turtleneck, a black just thin type of rib shirt, whatever black shirt you had in there. And I did it with like a thinner type pant. I wanted to take the back of it and kind of loop it around and kind of make it like a long vest, which I think is really cool looking. Just like the all black look. And this just added a third layer that looked really nice and chic and moderate and put together. So I look like this is just so nice. For sure. And I will say, I love Ann Taylor because it has such classic pieces that are elevated and modern in ways and touches. And it also has hints of things that are trendy that you can add in that is just classic in design and classic in shape. And that's what I really like about it. This is an animal print, but they made it a little bit modern by taking off the sleeves. And I really love that about Ann Taylor. So number three, I wanted to show, I've never bought shoes from Ann Taylor before, but what I will say is they're super nice. Don't sleep on their shoes. They're real leather, real suede boots, that kind of stuff, but I only bought one pair of shoes. But these kind of have a sparkle. They are a mesh ballet, and so this is like more of the modern shape. Instead of having just leather, it kind of hopefully it's kind of picking up. It kind of has a shimmer to it. And that's what I like. When you wear an all black, I said in my trend video, I believe, that you need texture with your black. So you need something that's just not a flat leather. It's fine. It's totally fine if that's all you have. But I actually did not have a ballet black flat. So that's why I went ahead and picked these up. They are true to size. They're very, very nice. But I was really surprised because I wasn't really sure about their shoes. I bought Banana Republic shoes before and I absolutely love them and they were real suede and I still have them. So that's why I went ahead and pulled the trigger on these. Very, very nice, very casual. And they also have like a dressy look to them that I absolutely love. My third item I picked up, now I did an Ann Taylor video back in the spring, I bet it was, and I fell in love with their printed pants. I just think I absolutely love them. Again, classic in design. They do not have pockets, which the other pants I bought all have pockets, and I really like them. I will say this is true to size. I bought a small. That's what I bought in the other ones too. They're just so flowy, and I like this gold color. And I love pairing it with different colors, and I'll show you how I paired it. Just with a basic black bomber jacket that I had in the same black turtleneck that is a bodysuit that I had. You can do a blazer with this. You can do like a really nice longer coat. You could do one of those vests. You know how everyone has the vest, and then you can put the black turtleneck underneath it to make it a different look. You can wear black boots. Now I did the black flats. It is a little long, and I want to say the regular is a 32-inch inseam, which I'm okay with wearing a little heel or a kitten heel. The flat, it's a little long. I had to roll up the top. But if you got the petite, it comes in a 29.5, just FYI. But I thought these came out of the box. I did not have to steam them, which I liked for traveling purposes. I'm thinking I can actually style this with like just a black t-shirt and a black kind of some flats like I had. I'm trying to find some like real slimline black tennis shoes because I would wear that with that. That's how I would take that from very dressy to very casual. You can also, I think, wear like some kind of white button up or shirt, and maybe a jean jacket or something like that would look really cute and kind of relaxed looking, but I really like that. My next outfit, I paired it with, I love like a gold and a burgundy. And y'all know that the burgundy bloody reds are really trending for fall. So I thought I have those burgundy shoes. And I also had like a burgundy old sweater. I mean, it's a wool, it's really heavy. It's actually a turtleneck. So I have added to my cart a burgundy cashmere sweater from Quince that I want to add with that. But I think that would look cute. The cashmere burgundy sweater with a little white collar showing through and this. Like, I love that together. I really love like the burgundy and the gold tones together. So I thought that would look really cute. So I do have that on the way because that other sweater, that's all I had. I had a burgundy, like a turtleneck, but it's just like, it's a bodysuit. It just wasn't gonna go over the shoulders. But that's a nice way. And I could have just add, if you wanted to do just a white button up and burgundy shoes, you can add like a burgundy clutch or a tote or whatever kind of handbag you have would have been really cute. The next item I picked up, how to style it, was what's trending everywhere is suede. These are faux suede, not real suede. I did buy my true to size. They had a side zip with the hook. I was just on their website again, just looking. I would say these are true to size. No pockets on these. And so I love blue, navy, and brown. And we all know that navy is trending for this fall. And so I had an old Banana Republic blazer, and I also had a blue camisole. I don't even know where it's from. I think maybe Express or something. I don't even know where it's from. But I thought that paired together, and I just put some brown boots with that. I'm really missing like a navy shoe. So I'm kind of have that on my list to see if there's anything on the sale or that could fit the bill. I'm not sure if I want a boot or a flat or something like that. But I really like these. They had a slight flare to them, which I really like. That proportionally, they always just flatter women. So I styled it that first way just for like a classic, like if you had an office to go to, or you needed to go somewhere a little more dressier, but office attire like, that's why I paired it with the blue. I also think burgundy looks really good with this brown as well. The next way I styled these brown faux suede pants was with this top that I just kind of got in. I actually had it on the Nordstroms in my cart, and then they were completely gone. Lace is a big trend, and I am a big bow type of person. I love a bow blouse. That is quintessential me. So when I saw lace with a bow blouse, I had it in my cart, went back, and it was gone. Like all the sizes were gone. I think I got it on Revolve, if I remember correctly. But I really like this top. I bought it in a medium because I wanted it kind of fancy. Trying on clothes and putting outfits is very tiring some days. So I wouldn't style it like that. I wouldn't go out in the world like that, but you absolutely can. You can wear like a nude bralette. You can wear like a nude camisole. You can do whatever you want to do. But I styled it more like a Western vibe because the Western is very trendy right now. So I wanted to take, if you bought these for a work how could you style them like Western? So I took that lacy top, which I planned to wear with a blazer anyway with jeans. I took that top and I threw on a belt, which I will be showing you the belt. It's absolutely super nice. And then had some old like boots that I threw on with it. And I thought the outfit looked really, really cool and versatile. Like I can take this from work to a fun Western evening if that's what you were doing, or you wanted to have that boho look. It's an easy way. I would also style up with some more like turquoise jewelry, like big turquoise earrings and stuff like that. I also think it could be styled up with this animal vest trench. I think that would look good with a black turtleneck underneath, would look really chic and modern. So they do not have pockets. All the pockets are faux. So the pants really lay nicely. Now I bought my true to size. I believe these are a 4. Now, if you want them looser, I would say probably go up 1 size. Now, they fit me. They were not tight on my waist by any means. But if you want them looser all the way around, I would say go up 1 size. If you want them to fit true to size, I would say that. True to size is what I would say would need to be. Really, really nice. And I don't have any faux suede pants. I've never bought any faux suede. Now, what I will say, real suede and real leather pants, they tend to grow on you. So meaning sometimes you got to buy a size smaller and have them tight, because the more you wear them, the more they stretch out. I have 2 pair of real leather pants that kind of stretch out over time. Okay, so my first belt, I don't know the size that I have. I'll have to look it up, but I did buy this off Amazon. They had these kind of belts at Zara and they sold out so fast. So I went on and I thought this gave like a Western vibe. What I will say, dresses is really what this one was for, to wear with like a white dress. But so I had this belt and I thought, just throw this on. It is so cute. And it's almost any size, because you can make it like the way I wore it before. It was like I had it really low on the waist. So only about this much showed. But as you can see, I can actually wear it around my natural waistline. But it is actually really, really nice for the price, considering the ones on Zara, I think were like $60. And I don't even know how much these were, but they were very affordable. And they, with jeans and a white shirt, like literally in cute turquoise, like, Western type of earrings would just make your outfit, you take classic pieces and turn them into trendy pieces really, really quick. The next item. Now, this has a stretchy back. That's what I really like. So this looks good around blazers or dresses, because it kind of just cinches you in. But the studs are really big this year. So this, I just threw it on with that lace top just so you could see it, how it fits. But it's very adjustable and I think it's nicely made. This is like a faux suede, but it's really nice feeling. I don't know. I felt like this is very luxe for less. So a lot of people ask, when you wear a wide leg jean, what kind of top do you wear with it? And I would say something cropped. It doesn't have to be a blazer, but something cropped. A crop sweater, a crop blazer, a crop shirt, something cropped. It's just proportionally looks well with wide leg jeans. This one is navy, and navy's trending really hard. And it also has a metallic thread. Don't know if it's capturing that. And I also love but I really like them. They're not a white. They really look like a cream. But I thought cream and navy always look together. I threw it on with some suede booties just to make it look a little bit more like that transitional time. Because they are cream and I have this heavy tweed navy sweater, then I put it with a suede bootie, kind of offsets it and makes it look kind of fallish, like a transition. We're going into fall, which we are. I love a good blazer, and I love Ann Taylor's because they really finish them out really nicely. They are having a really good sale too, so just FYI. It's a neutral, like you can just put with a white shirt. You can put like a jean skirt. The denim skirts are really in right now, and that would look fantastic with like a cream, some type of relaxed Henley shirt underneath with a denim skirt with some brown suede boots or leather boots. I think would look really good with this. Last but not least, my final outfit, that this brown tweed, multicolor of just autumnal colors. It's brown, there's green, there's yellow, there's black. It's just, this is so pretty. I love these gold buttons that look really upgraded and just, did this have a pocket? Yeah, this is a real pocket. I got a medium in the jackets. They do feel true to size, but I always think I paired this with the very dark inky blue denim, which I think looks great. And then I had this like cashmere, like just like shell. It has no sleeves underneath it. I think this would look great with a denim skirt or any kind of denim. A lighter denim would look great with some suede boots or booties, or even a suede ballet flat would look great. I saw some suede ballet flats with the studs on it, with like the gold studs. I think would look really cool with it. But I just love the colors. This just screams fall to me, like in every way that's good, that is possibly good. I mean, this reminds me of pumpkin spice lattes, pumpkin fields, like everything. I love it. And I love how it has this contrasting piping stitch that it almost feels like a faux suede on here. That looks really good, but I absolutely love this. Those are my pieces that I have added that I'm styling for the new fall trends of 2025. Hopefully you found this informational, and let me know your thoughts on, do you love fall outfits? I do. I mean, I'm totally here for it, but drop it down below and let me know. Until next time, bye.